seem very grinchy to me. Safe travels, you two. Report back soon. Good evening, Freedom Thunders. Fall on in. We're having a camera tutorial. It's all right. It's a pleasure to serve by your side. Let's show what we're made of. It's a pleasure to meet you as well.
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
Vocally changed combat leader. His reconnaissance and protection specialist, probably. This little fellow is really on our home planet of Cybertron. But the freedom we knew came under threat from a faction who hungered only for power. This is Decepticon Defensive Tactics Training. I am IR, Autobot Weapons and Combat Specialist. Don't give me any small, slow, weak, lacking bodily integrated weapon systems and, militarily speaking, colossally mismatched against our Decepticon enemy. That is
No, it has to be clear, you understand? Yes, sir. Alright. Recruits, base is moving to lockdown, so we're going to have to suspend your training. You are very high potential material, but we are about to be in the middle of a firefight. We cannot put you in the field during a time like this, so sit tight. We will do our best to get you out of here. Roger, your frontline appraisal stalwart, but removing the Allspark from nest indicators that the cons are storming the city. This is a coordinated strike.
you got here.
Stand down! Check it out!
You guys are my navigators, so if anyone sees trouble... Uh-oh, that's trouble, all right. Watch out! It's Ravage! He's after the Allspark! No! We gotta catch him! Bumblebee, up on the catwalk! Behind you! Got it! Mission to go! Come on, let's get out of this city!
Good work. Autobots, roll out! Fight at Megatron! Keep going, Decepticons! Destroy them!
Hey, recruits, maybe a little warning for me next time?
Fools! You can't escape Megatron!
Reverse thrusters! Full throttle! Help me find a way out of here! Wrong way! We're trapped!
Surrender or perish. Your planet belongs to me.
Take cover! Look, escape route. Wait,
Again. Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
Way to improvise, team. Thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back to base. You can ride with evac.
Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it